Blink, and you'll miss them. Today we're counting down the top 5 fastest land animals on Earth. Creatures so fast they make Usain Bolt look slow. At number 5, the king of beasts, the lion. Don't let their lazy lounging fool you. When a lion decides to sprint, it can hit 50 miles per hour. But here's the catch. They can only keep that up for a few seconds. Lions are built for ambush, not marathons. Number 4 is the wildebeest, Africa's thunder on hooves. These animals can reach 50 to 55 miles per hour. It's not just about speed, it's survival. Wildebeests run in massive herds, outrunning lions, hyenas, and even crocodiles. Number 3 takes us to North America, the pronghorn antelope. Unlike the lion, this speedster isn't just fast. It's a long-distance runner. Pronghorns can hit 55 miles per hour, but what's scarier? They can keep it up for miles, leaving most predators exhausted in the dust. Number 2 is the springbok, a small antelope with springs for legs. This South African animal can leap 13 feet in the air while sprinting at 60 miles per hour. They don't just run, they bounce across the savanna, confusing predators with zigzags and jumps. And at number 1, no surprise, the cheetah, the undisputed sprinter of the animal kingdom. With a body built for acceleration, cheetahs go from 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds and can hit 70 miles per hour. But their runs last less than a minute because even the fastest engine burns out. So, which of these animals do you think you could outrun, if any? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more wild animal facts every day.